Welcome. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create Combox and Spinbox. Let's start. First, I create Combox months equal star var and create Combox equal ttk.combox and word window and give it text variable equal months and combox dot back look this combox empty. Let's give it value. I give it combox dot config and give it values equal months January February. This month January February. Look, when click here, this month January February March. Let's give it print months dot get look and give it months dot set, for example January. Look, when run this January. Let's give it months dot set not a month. Look, when run not a month and choose August. Look, let's create a Spinbox for give it here. I give it here equal star var and Spinbox is capital and import window for show on window and give it value from underscore for this variable. Look, this from and 1990 to equal 2016 and text variable equal year, birth year here dot back. Look, when run this year's 2016. Let's change value. Look, 1990 to 2016. Let's give it print year dot get. Look, when run this 2016. Look, print here. Let's review what we have done in this video. First, I create Combox and give it value January February. Look, and I give it month set not a month for when run. Look, not a month. And I create Spinbox and give it value 1990 to 2016. Look, this value, and I give it text variable for import here and I give it print for when run this code print 2016. I hope you like this video and see you next one.